If your audio is not syncing properly in Descript, yeah, that can ruin your entire video. In this guide, I'll show you how to fix it step by step. First, zoom into your timeline and check alignment. Sometimes clips get slightly shifted without you noticing. Next, try syncing the audio manually. Move the audio track until it matches the video properly. Now check your frame rate. Mismatched frame rates between audio and video can cause syncing issues. Try re-importing your video or audio file. Yeah, sometimes the file itself loads incorrectly. Make sure you're using the latest version of Descript. Updates often fix syncing bugs.
Life is
Finally,
like a camera.
restart the app or re-render your project.
Just focus on
this
what's
can
important.
fix temporary glitches causing sync issues, and that's it. These steps should fix most audio sync problems in Descript. If this helped, like and subscribe.